Hey guys, it's me, Julia. And today is the best makeup tutorial you were
You're a fucking idiot.
Today's the best makeup tutorial Today is the best makeup tutorial you will ever see on Big Brother. Because I have been watching since season 16 and I'm going back and watching all the old seasons. So, are you really gonna get any better education? So, today I wanted to do a fun, bright color, summery look. Kind of, like the eyeshadow is gonna be blue because, as you know, Big Brother has the whole waves thing up in there. And I already did a demo, and as you can see I did the little waves and glitter, and it's going to be fun and exciting and liner. You could wear this on eviction night and not get evicted. Like, this is your halting hex, you know? So, yeah! And in my last video I discussed Big Brother a little bit, but just roasting one person. I'm not going to name her name because I listened back and I kind of felt bad because I really did insult her.
Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Roast her, but I still hate her. And if you know who I'm talking about, then wow, thank you so much. So I'm going to be using the Sephora Editorial palette. And if I'm not in focus right now, you guys, I hate my life. So that's really, really, really great. I'm taking the lightest blue in there and the dark blue in there. First I'm taking this little Morphe Copper Dreams brush, taking that light blue and just placing it in the crease. So I'm looking forward and just placing it in the crease. Because I'm first packing it all over the lid because this shade disappears really fast and can lose its color really easily and become like muddy and nasty. And a backstabber, as someone would say in the game. But yeah. So I just want to discuss seasons while we're talking about this. But before I do, just remember I'm going to basically blend it up a little bit and kind of go back and forth. Not windshield wiper motions, but I will after I kind of get a little bit, you know, in there. So now that you have that blue down as like a little base for the other blue, what you're going to do is I'm going to take this thicker blending brush and then take the darker blue and kind of just pat it in the middle. And as you can tell, they look very different. Like when you first start patting, you're kind of like, I'm not too sure. These go together, but once you blend it around the edges, like lightly, it looks good. Like, that's literally all you have to do. It's the easiest tutorial ever. Thank you very much. Anyone can do it. Like, you know, you don't have to be professional. So I did kind of like a full cut crease and then transformed it into waves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, oh my god, ow! I'm going to take my little shader, my little flat, it's not a shader brush, but I'm going to pretend it is, and then I'm just going to open my eye and kind of touch to the first crease, which is right there. So I like open my eye and I see a little crease and I go up to that, not above, just to it. What you're going to do is take this little one. I use this for like under my eyes, but right now I'm using it for the concealer. So I'm so like rambly, like I can never describe stuff. So I put it on my hand and then like a stamper, you just take it like so. So what I'm going to do is a different design on this eye. On this eye I did like 3 little waves, but on this one I'm just going to do a big one. My trick is to draw a little like circle and then like connect it from under, and it makes a wave. And do a couple of them, because if you don't, it just looks weird, you know? And I know at first it's gonna look like kind of a hot mess. But once you go for the wave theme, it looks fine, trust me. Now as you can tell, this side is higher, which is fine. They're not supposed to be the same. They're supposed to be different designs because waves are not the same. They're different, so they're just different designs, which I think actually looks cooler. So if you just mess it up, then you can just say, no, it's meant to be like that. Gosh, leave me alone. So now that we have that done, you're going to want to set it. Now I'm just going to let it cool a little bit, and then I'm going to grab the white in the palette and just pack it on. It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to fix everything in a second. And by fix, I mean polish. But, you know, who knows, maybe it's for fixing too. So now, once you have this, it kind of took away a lot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the smaller brush I used before and taking the dark and light blue and kind of just putting it in the outer corner first. Because I want to just redefine that area, at least on this eye I do. So, yeah, I'm just bringing it in a little so it kind of looks like a little wave crashing. And now I'm taking a liner brush, like so, from Morphe, and I'm taking the tip of it, only the tip. If you have a little pointer brush too, that works, but I don't, so I'm being cheap. So what you're going to do is line around your design. Not like a liner, like how you want it to be smooth and like a line.
Oh my god! Let me tell you.
You want it to like blend out around it. So here's a little trick I'm doing. You just go around like this. You see? I just put like a little bit of dark blue around it so you know that's the design. So as you can see, there's some harsh lines. So now I'm taking this little mini blending one and just going around that. So now that it kind of looks weird because it's going to look a little crusty. It's going to look a little messy. It's going to look like kind of like Danielle Cohn's makeup, which some may say,
stop insulting her. What did she do to you?
stop it. Everything. But now I'm taking this Maybelline Eyelure. Can you shut up? My little liner brush, and I'm just going to do eyeliner. So I'll be right back because I can't do eyeliner on camera. I'm too stressed, guys. I'm going to shake, and then I'm going to mess it up and have to act like I did it on purpose. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so while I was gone, I just did my eyeliner with the Maybelline, and then I used this crusty dusty Gina Marie and Erin Revlon glitter liner and put it over it to be like quirky, you know, like Emma Chamberlain, how everyone's trying to act right now. And this is in the color 80, I don't know, they really make it really nasty. So I'm letting that dry right now so it's not crusty, and then I'm gonna apply the Ardell Demi Wispy Faux Mink lashes, like so, with the Duo Lash Glue, and hopefully it doesn't go wrong because my tutorial is not going wrong at the moment, so just pray for me, honestly.
Who had been saying that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Kaitlyn is being pulled into level 6. She's literally that stupid to believe anything they tell her. Like, I know I said I wasn't going to name her name, but she honestly deserves it. Like, you go against your lines because one person tells you they're trying to get you out and they're on the other side of the house and clearly don't have the numbers. Like, who in their right mind believe, that girl, I don't know what she's doing.
Fuck, I'm so mean.
So now I'm going to be doing my face makeup, and first I'm just priming using a hydrating primer because, you know, they get sun at the Big Brother house. Like, literally, there's nothing else to do except, like, lay outside. So, obviously, they'd be looking hydrated. And there's, like, nothing in here because I'm broke. And I have to squeeze everything out because I'm too cheap to buy the full size version. And now I'm going to be using the Dior Forever Foundation because you got to look good on camera. You know, can't look crusty. Like, some people, like, I just want to, like, put this out there. Like, I feel bad because, you know, it's hard to do your makeup in the Big Brother house. And I acknowledge that because, like, it's just, like, there's so many people and, you know, you don't have your own personal mirror and setup and everything. So, it kind of just goes bad. Like, and then you get on camera and then it's, like, orange or not blended, you know. So now, I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Why did I bronze it? And just carving the cheekbones, you know, like, getting that carving. So you're just going to want to, like, swirl it until it looks really muddy and bad. And then you think it looks good because of the blur on your camera, you know. So now I'm gonna blush up my face with this like really old crusty TJ Maxx Kat Von D highlighter. So hopefully it's good. It's kind of chalky. I don't think you guys see this. Like I'm literally like... I mean, I guess. That was so weird. I don't know. So now since we're going with the whole like pink theme, I'm going to use my Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. And you can hear every single car. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Wow. Okay. And now we're going to do the lipstick. Even though, is that all we have to do? This is Kylie Jenner, Say No More. And this is a velvet lippy. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is kind of crazy. I just realized this is how I look right now, and I'm kind of ashamed I chose that lip color. I look like I'm ready for something. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I know it wasn't really rambly or funny, so I really do apologize for that because like I am desperate for subscribers, you know me. Like, I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Like, it was really fun for me and it was really out of my comfort zone because of the craziness and the glitter and the bright colors. But that is Big Brother. Like, you don't know what you're gonna get until you watch, and it could be a sucky season like season 17, or it could be a good season, you know? So